Good morning, everyone. I am S. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Today's topic is AJAX in web development. Let's start simple. Aswin, have you heard the word AJAX before?
Uh, yes, ma'am, but I'm confused. Is AJAX is programming language?
No, ma. It's not a programming language. It stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It helps a web page communicate with the server without refreshing the whole page, entire page.
Ma'am, what do you mean by asynchronous?
Synchronous means web page can continue working while the data is being fetched in the background, and the user can't wait for the whole page to reload.
So ma'am, this is why the websites feels fast and smooth nowadays, ma'am.
Exactly. AJAX makes website more responsive and interactive.
Ma'am, can you explain how AJAX works step by step?
AJAX works, a user performs an action, suppose a click or a search or a submit. JavaScript send a request to the server in the background. The server processes the request and send it back to the client. JavaScript updates only the required page which we required, not wholly.
Ma'am, can we see a small code example?
Yes.
So the XML document means we want to fetch a given data, then it should be responsive to a site, and the data which we are fetched should be consoled and it will be displayed to the user. So the XML program or code will be written inside the tags, angular brackets. Ma'am, where do we see AJAX in real life?
Sarah Devan, explain. Can you explain this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Live search suggestion on Google. If we search on Google, it gives a live links and texts are there. Chat application like WhatsApp, Instagram, like that. Likes and comments, updates on social medias are lively we use on that program. Product filters on shopping websites. All this use AJAX.
Yes. Can you summarize today's lesson, Aswin?
Sure, ma'am. AJAX allows the background communications with server and it prevents the full page reload. It improves the speed and user experience. It uses JavaScript with APIs like fetching and consoling the data and then displaying it to the users.
This is the clear understanding of AJAX.
Thank you. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. AJAX is not a programming language or technology, but it is in combinations of multiple web-related technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, DOM, XML, XSLT, and XML HTTP request object. So the AJAX model allows web developers to create web applications that are able to dynamically interact with the user. It is also able to quickly make the background call to the web server to retrieve the required application data.
Then continue, Mark.
In the AJAX application, the exchange of data between a web browser and the server is a synchronous means AJAX applications submit request to the web server without pausing the execution of the application, and can also process the requested data whenever it is returned. For example, in Facebook, we have uses the AJAX model, so whenever we like any post, the count of the like buttons increases instead of refreshing the whole pages.
Working of AJAX. Traditional web applications are created by adding loosely web pages through links in predefined order, where the user can move from one page to another page to interact with the different portions of the applications. Also, HTTP requests are used to submit the web server in response to the user action. After receiving the request, web pages which then display on the web browsers. This process includes lots of page refreshing and warnings.
So AJAX changed the whole working model by sharing the minimum amount of data between the web browser and the server asynchronously. It speeds up the working of the web application. It provides a desktop-like feel by passing the data on a web pages or by allowing the data displayed inside the existing web application. Due to the reduced overload, web services become more responsive and faster. It reduces the page refresh time and provides a faster responsive experience to the user.
So rather than other web applications, here while we are using the AJAX, from the web application, a HTTP request is sent to the web server, and as a response, we get the HTML web pages. So it makes it more dynamic than other things.